In Meghalaya, a strong push for youth empowerment and holistic education was on full display today at the Spark Summit 2025. The event, held at the Sosotham Auditorium in Shillong, saw the participation of Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma and key leaders from the Education Department. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma was joined at the summit by Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, Kharkutta MLA Rupert M. Momin, Education Secretary Swapnil Tembe, and Director of School Education and Literacy Bante Langkharshandi. The event brought together government officials, educators and students to celebrate the progress and impact of Spark initiative. In his address, the Chief Minister stressed the government programs, though often seen as standalone initiatives, are deeply interconnected and collectively work toward a broader vision for Meghalaya's development. Highlighting Meghalaya's youthful demographic, Conrad Sangma pointed out that 49% of the state's population is under the age of 20, with the largest age group being children aged 0 to 4 years. He described this as both a challenge and a unique opportunity, underscoring the importance of sustained investment in youth development programs such as Spark, Early Childhood Development, Empower, Yes Meghalaya, MGMP and sports initiatives.
There are hardly about 5 or 6 lakh people who are above 45 in Meghalaya. That includes me also. So therefore, this is really what the challenge is, but this is also where the opportunity lies. And hence, programs like Spark, programs like Early Childhood Development, programs like Adolescents Program, the Empower program that we have, programs like MGMP, programs like Yes Meghalaya, focusing on sports, building up one of the largest sports infrastructures in the country. These are all investments we are making because of this chart that we see in front of us. Now, when I talk about that, I also want to share with you, I hope we'll all be on track with me here. For us, we realized that to be able to really take advantage of this demographic dividend, as we call it, is to ensure that we invest in our youth at every stage of their life. We can't start to think about them when they are 15 years old already. The planning has to start right from the point when they are in their mother's womb. The brain is developing, the body is developing during that time. And therefore, Meghalaya is one of the few states which focuses on what we call the life cycle approach. And this chart shows you what we're talking about.
The Chief Minister also emphasized the significance of the adolescent years from ages 9 to 19 as a period where proper guidance and mentorship are crucial. He praised the work of Avenues, the government's training partner, for its role in implementing the Spark program and equipping students with vital life skills.
First of all, I would like to greet our Honourable Chief Minister, all the dignitaries present here, my fellow students and respectful teachers. The Spark program was held at our school last year, and I did not think it would have such an impact on me.
Was mistake. To be kind to myself, I start learning how to introduce myself. I start sharing my thought, even if it just a little. From Spark, I received some special courage.
In a show of recognition, tablets were awarded to meritorious students and certificates were presented to schools that actively participated in the Spark initiative. Spark, short for School Programs in Articulation, Resilience and Kindness, is an innovative government program under the National Education Policy. Backed by Samagra Shiksha and executed in partnership with Avenues, the program focuses on developing communication, resilience and emotional intelligence in students. The initiative has been widely praised for its tangible results, including enhanced public speaking and critical thinking among participants. The summit Summit also featured vibrant student performances and inspiring testimonials that highlighted the confidence and personal growth the program has fostered across Meghalaya. With leadership commitment and impactful programs like Spark, Meghalaya continues to invest in its future, empowering the next generation to lead with purpose, resilience, and heart.
Right at the center of how we will take the adolescents group, which I'd mentioned, I'd shown to you, forward. And we realize that we have to guide, train, and nurture our youth in the right manner if we wish to achieve the goals that we have. And I can tell you, we are going to be very aggressive in how we move forward. We are determined to take our state forward. Yes, we have challenges, we have a lot of difficulties, and things don't happen in a day. Please remember that. Whatever work we do, whatever actions we take, it takes time for it to yield the results. Today, the investment and the work and the efforts that have been put in by avenues and their team, by our director, by our education minister, and all the officials, the investment put in you, the results will be seen for decades to come. Because you are now a much more confident person, much more prepared to face the different challenges of life, better prepared to enter the workforce, be more productive in the workforce, be more creative, be more confident. And while you move forward, we are there with you to be walking with you at every step. I'm not saying that we can change everything, and neither am I saying that we can make everything, great. We're not. I don't have a magic wand, but the programs, the policies, and the focus with which we're moving, I'm very confident that we are in a much better place than what we were before.